Right, good morning everyone, and welcome to today's presentation on Deutsche Telekom. My name is Pama. To start us off, I'll be just giving an overview of the company, particularly highlighting its hybrid business model and some key highlights from its latest earning results. Then we'll have a look at the growth drivers that are fundamental to our investment thesis. I'll also talk to Deutsche Telekom's advantageous market positioning before summating our thesis and valuation, which we can note here as a buy recommendation with about 18% upside as it when we officially release the report.